Hello everyone, today we are going to make roast syadya, which means fisherman's rice. It's used to be served with any seafood dish. Ingredients for 3 servings: 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of fish broth, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 small onion. At first we will fry a small chopped onion in a little butter till it becomes brown. Then we will add a tablespoon of sugar to caramelize, so you will have a brown sugar. Then add 1 cup of rice and stir them well to be mixed with onion and sugar. And if you like to make rice more brown, you can add an additional tablespoon of tomato sauce. Then add 1 cup of fish broth and make sure there is no rice sticking to the pan, and cover the lid on a very low heat for 10 minutes. Now you are ready with a very delicious rice to serve with any seafood dish. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.